JDExperiments.com.
Hello everyone, welcome to JD Experiments. So in this video I'll be making a battery eliminator, so let us begin. First invert the SMPS box and remove the screws. There are 4 connectors coming out from the SMPS. We require is 3 connectors. Separate the red, black and the yellow wire. Now I'll separate those wires and label them accordingly. I'll be using a speaker connector for the output power supply and a toggle switch to switch on the SMPS. Now I'll mark the area and drill holes to the certain points. Now separate the green and the black wire from the connector which I am holding right now. These wires are later going to be soldered to a switch. I'll be using a 12 volt strip LED just for the indication purpose when the SMPS turns on. All the mark points are drilled out and now I'm going to be marking the output terminal pins. For each of the wire connections I'll be using a heat shrink tube. Now we have is 4 black wires and 4 yellow wires. 2 yellow wires must be connected to the positive end of the speaker connector, and the same thing is done to the other side. We require is 2 ground wires or the negative wires, which are soldered accordingly. And remove the additional ground wires which are not used. Now solder the other 2 yellow wires to the positive end and a ground wire to the negative end of the connector. wire to the positive end of the speaker connector and connect the ground wire to the negative end of the speaker connector. Now I'll be soldering the green and the black wire to the toggle switch. Adding a cable tie to the wires will prevent the wires from touching the fan blades. Now cut the positive and negative wire coming out from the cooling fan and solder the strip LED to the positive and negative end of the cooling fan. Now I'll connect the power supply. Using a multimeter, I'll check the output voltage. That's it for today's video. Hope you liked it. You can subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe button. Get notified by clicking the bell button. Make sure to watch my previous videos. Thanks for watching.